Thiku imwe thutha wa minista wa githomo Ezekiel Machogu kurekereria maumirira ma kigeranio gia KCSE, abunge kuma MIAHU YERI ya kiuteti ya Kenya Kwanza na Azimio la Umoja ni macokereirie ndereti ya gwethera bithi arutwo aria kaingi mehokaga uteithio wa kigina gia UKURIA wa matura kia basari. Makiaria na andiki a mohoro thutha wa kamukujia abunge miaraho ya umuthi, abunge amahete thirikari mukana wa THIKU MUGWANJA gukorwo erekereirie kigina kia NG-CDF na gigakinya kaunti-ini cia icigo bunge. Wona korwo ti uguo mambiririe mutaratara wa kuhagura minista wa kigina PROF NJUGUNA.
We demand that the entire allocation of CDF must be released within 7 days as is due. And if that is not done, we will call for a special sitting of the House. When we call for a special sitting, secondly, we will then draft appropriate motions against the CS Treasury and against the CDF board or any such other entity as we may determine at the time.
Mukana uyu niona thegia wa miario ya President William Ruto muthenya wa ira kuria areranire kigina kiu gukorwo gikinyite icigo-ini ciothe kwambiriria umuthi. Undu uria bunge ya matianeirie makiuga miario ino ikoretwo ikimatiga haceke na muingi wa icigo bunge ciao makienda basari.
We are here as servants of the people, and when our people are suffering we must speak, and because of that we want to tell Treasury that we are not joking. And we are going to take them head on. When it comes to issues regarding Kenyans, we don't joke. We are going to take you head on. And please release that money today.
As of this date, no single amount has been received, despite all sorts of utterances that you may have heard elsewhere. So these false statements lead citizens to think that MPs have received money and they are sitting on it. We want to make it clear that we have not received it, and we urge the government to immediately release this entire amount of CDF allocation that we ought to have received.
Hii pesa ya CDF imepewa second chance, inaangaliwa kama second chance. Kwa nini tunaweza pata pesa iende kwa department zingine, ili hali CDF ambaye inasaidia kila mwanafunzi? Shule hazina madarasa sasa tukisema hivi, wana rely kwa bunge kuchenga hizo. Up to now achatuma hiyo pesa.
Kuringana na bunge ya thirikari ikoretwo ikihuthira itumi itiganite itemi-ini ria kwaga kurekereria kigina giki kia NG-CDF, kuria ningi morotire ministry ya kigina makiuga ni ahingicire speaker wa bunge riria mamutumire marua makimwira kigina kiu ni gigakorwo kirekereirio gwikinyiria tariki 20 mweri muhituku.
Release those funds so that we don't have children standing with billboards like prisoners, like people who have been charged by DCI. Standing with those billboards, I am 14 years old, I do not have money, and there is money here. Please release the money, we need to let our children go to school.
Tarehe 20 mwezi wa 12 tuliambiwa na speaker wa bunge kwamba pesa itakuwa hit the accounts ya constituencies zetu zote Kenya. Up to now mpaka saa hivi tunaongea hivi, walifanya speaker wetu akatuamini, na speaker akiongea katika kiti chake cha bunge ni sheria, haliongea kama sheria, ametoa sheria lenye halikufanyika.
Mweri muhituku mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto ni eranire kigina kiu ni gigakorwo kirekereirio mbere ya thukuru ihinguritwo mwaka uyu. Kurumirira githagathago kiria abunge matumurire bunge-ini makienda kigina kiu kirekererio kana mathararia mihango ya thirikari. Ngirivotera Kameme TV, Nditogo Mwaura, Wagunyam.